Hey there, this is Koontz Jr. filling in for Dr. Koontz as he recovers from bronchitis. In this video, we're going to turn on the Developer tab on a Mac computer so that you can work with macros. If you have a Windows PC, check out the link in the description. First, go to the Apple bar and click on the Excel option. In the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This will open the Excel Preferences window. Under the Authoring section of the Excel Preferences window, click the ribbon and toolbar icon. Note that it is gray, but is still an active icon. This will open the ribbon and toolbar window. On the right side of the ribbon and toolbar window is a list box with ribbon options. Roll or scroll down in this box until you see the developer option. Make sure that the developer option is checked. Now press the Save button and finally close the Excel Preferences window. The Developer tab should now be enabled.